Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 6, today we are going to revise the second chapter in history, that is on the trial of earliest people. In this chapter, we have learned the earliest people, why they moved from one place to another, and for what reason. And making of stones, we learned, and the changing environment, agricultural revolution, what are all the new things they brought, and about the human historical time, and about the rock paintings we have covered. First, they are saying the earliest people they move from one place to another. For what reason? For gather the food, and for gathering the food they need the knowledge, right? They need the knowledge about the plant, and about the seasons they need the knowledge, or else they can't gather any food from the forest. And for hunting the animals like fish, birds, all, it was a very difficult task, and human need to be very alert and quick, and they should have the presence of mind for doing this activity, right? And we are going for the making of stone tools. Making of stone tools, the ancient people, they made the stone tools. And how we know that means by the archaeologist research, the people lived on those sites for long time. The caves that provide the shelter from the rain and sun. From the archaeologist research, we find the blocks, tools, and chips of waste stones. On that place, we can identify the people they have lived, and they have did some kind of job. About the stone tools, we can say means stone on stone method and the flaking method, pressure flaking method. Stone on stone means one stone they will use as a cord, and one stone as a hammer in one hand. On striking the stone like a hammer against the core, they will make some kind of stone tools that they will use for their hunting and for gathering foods. And the pressure flaking method means hammer stone used as a piece of bone or some kind of metal or anything. For hammer, they will use an object made up of bones or metal, and by the pressure giving on that core stone, they will create some new stone tool. And changing environment and agricultural revolution. What happened? The people on ancient time, they had the knowledge on the plants, and they gathered that on different place some grasses will grow, like for eating, for growing crops like wheat, barley, maize, rice. For this agriculture, they need a great time and care for that plants, crops. Time to go for hunting had less, so people started permanent settlement. So this made the people the permanent settlement on certain places. And the human historical times like Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. Paleolithic, that means 2 million to 12,000 years before, the old age we can say. Most of our history is based on Paleolithic, that is 99% of our history. And Mesolithic, that is middle stone age, that we can say that stone tools were formed, and it is also called as a microlith. It is a short period of time from 12,000 years to 10,000 years. And Neolithic, from the 10,000 years till now, it is called as Neolithic. And about the rock paintings. Rock paintings were done by the people, those who are lived on the ancient time. They draw the wild animals with great accuracy and skills. On seeing the picture, we can get the idea how the animal was, and what are all the animals was present on that ancient time. And these kinds of rock paintings are found in Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. So this is about the chapter 2 in history on the earliest people. Thank you, children. Have a great day.